guys, we're about to go grocery shopping. It's a very massive one. I have like 3 leaves of paper here.
One of those not passing on a I just know your motor is not coming.
Yeah.
The lesser than you na be a boy and boy, not back and one achieve. Yeah.
Come on, baby, take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind.
I need you. I think good again. We'll get one time. Bye.
Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love, I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more. There's something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love, I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm holding on forevermore. I'm never gonna let you go. With your love, I'll never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling. telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong and I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the set.
Okay, so we're back. I'm going to start cleaning up and sorting and organizing the things that we bought. Okay, so yeah, the first thing I'm going to be doing is to clean the sink. I'm going to scrub it very well with soap and water, rinse it off properly, because I'm going to be using this sink to wash. So while I let that soak for a little while, you know, just to act on that, I am going to put away the milk. This is fresh milk and excuse me, some butter. With the milk, you know, I bake a lot, so that's why I have literally 8 liters of milk here. This is 4 liters and 4 liters. I still have some of my old one remaining.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun,
I bought all these
for you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
I don't like it when they put the, you see this thing? I don't like it. Like, especially, well, this one is easy to remove. There are some of them that you're literally just, you know, scratching the skin of the fruit just to take this out.
Tonight you will always be my home. Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart and my life. Every second, every day. don't mind saying I roll out of bed and I roll up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me
No, nobody
become?
should touch. Nobody should ever touch that thing again.
I make some coffee and a plan, and I decide on oats and eggs. Blow my cares away. Ooh, prepares me for the things of life. Beautiful
You want to shower?
morning,
Any problem?
keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that will make it through. And I have barely begun moving as I am out through season. No, don't break no promises. Sing in a key that your body believes. Ooh, I'm making my way out of the city. I need more time in the garden. Beautiful morning, keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of morning. It's the natural feeling that you make it through. It's all I need to hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's all I do to hold on, hold on, hold on. And it's all I do to hold on. You know I hold on. Oh, 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 there's so much I do to hold on. Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new.
Yes, man.
Watch the sky fade into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, somewhere new. Somewhere new. Just us two. I'll follow you to somewhere new. Somewhere